A very pleasant and happy morning to one and all present here. This is Roshna here. Welcome you all in today's morning assembly. So today's thought for the assembly is, if you believe in yourself, then anything is possible. So believe in yourself, you will be unstoppable. This thought is really very nice and wonderful. We all should practice this thought in our daily life. And this thought has brought into real life and make it a successful one by one of the personality named as Konosuke Matsushita. So how this person and who was he, we will be coming to know in details after the national anthem. So I request everyone to get ready for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
So students, I hope that you all are very interested to get through the story, right? And the title of the story is Believe in Yourself. So once upon a time there was one boy named as Konosuke Matsushita who was born in Japan, in a small village of Japan. And he was living with his family, and the family was having very little income, but the family was sustaining in that little money also. But when this boy became 9 years old, that time he left the school and decided to work in a small shop to support his family. Then every day he used to get up early in the morning before sunrise, get ready for his shop. Then he cleans his store and run errands from here and there. And after that, looking after the children of his employer. In this way, his duty, his job was going on. But some years later, destiny showed him a path, and he got a job in an electricity company. And there he got interested in light bulbs and sockets. So every night he started learning and experimenting on his own. One day he made an improved version of a light socket, and he got excited, very happy on seeing his own socket made by him. And then he showed that socket to his boss where he was working. But his boss was not impressed and said, "Such a product will never work." But the boy, even though he was rejected, but he believed in his idea and he wanted to do something on his own. And he wanted to start his own company. So for that, he asked his friends. They told him he cannot do it. He cannot leave his permanent job and start his own company. Why? Because he was not having any experience. He was with very little money and hardly he was having any education. Still, he believed in himself. So when he turned 22, when he became 22 years old, he took a big decision and he left his permanent job and started his own small manufacturing company. And in that manufacturing company, he and his wife tried very hard, worked very hard, and they produced sockets in their small house. In their small house, they started that manufacturing unit, and they both went door to door to sell that sockets. But they did not find any shop owner to purchase that. No one shop owner was interested to purchase that socket. So that time they both were very nervous, but thinking and thinking what to do. After taking many efforts, they did not get any order. In this way, the months passed, but still they were not able to sell their sockets, their product. After that, he was not having any money with him to sustain their life. So, what he did? He sold the furniture of his house. He borrowed some money from others to survive, to get a meal twice a day. And in this way, many days passed. Now, he thought and decided to get back to his old job, because now he was not having any option. So, without his desire, now he decided to get back his job. But in the morning next day, as the sun rose, he was out on the street and looking for orders. And it was the last chance of trial. And he decided, now today's day again I will spend on taking efforts to sell my products. And one more day I will survive on the money which I borrowed from somebody. Then the time came and he was bankrupt completely. He was not having anything with him, because in his house also there was no furniture, even it was also sold. So now it was the time to give up his dream, complete dream. Now it was not possible for him to make it true, but there was one hope, and that's when a miracle happened in his life. And what was that miracle? Out of nowhere, he got his first major order, and in that order he was asked to manufacture 1,000 pieces of the sockets. And that time he was really very happy. And his company now has over 250,000 of employees working. Those are having annual sales of $65 billion. And that industry, that company is known as Panasonic company. His company products are now sold across the world, and all this is possible only by one man, Konosuke Matsushita, with very little education, with no money, and all this is made possible by him with only one thing which he was having. And I think you can guess it. What? The belief, the trust, the faith he was having in himself. So the company, when he had started in his small house, now this company is named as Panasonic in the world, which has earned a lot of fame in the market on global level. So from this, what do we learn? We learn that success is not dependent on how educated we are, how much money we are having with us to start a new business. But the success is only about the believing in yourself or ourselves. So just believe in yourself when no one, which is not done by anybody. When no one believes in you, that time you only have to believe in yourself. So survive when other people give up, and just wait for a miracle to be happen, which will change your life completely forever. So from this story, only one moral we have to get, that believe in yourself and take more and more effort. Still you did not catch up with your dream. Follow it till you did not get the success, till miracle not happen in your life. But the miracles will not happen itself. You have to take efforts to make that miracle happen. So I hope you all will follow and practice the same thing in your life so that you will be something successful one in your life. And I wish you all the very best for your successful life ahead forever. After enjoying this wonderful story, I think you are really very happy. And after that, you get ready for your next activity.
आज हम जो एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं उसका नाम है फॉरवर्ड जंप, फॉरवर्ड लंगी विद द जंप. हाँ, फॉरवर्ड लंगी विद द जंप. सो आई विल शो यू हाउ टू डू. मैं आपको भी करके दिखाऊंगा. फर्स्ट आपको ऐसे खड़े रहना है, फिर पोजीशन लेके जंप आगे करना है. लेकिन जब आप जंप कर रहे हो तो आपका राइट या फिर लेफ्ट, हम पहले राइट लेग से करेंगे. राइट लेग हमारा एयर में आना चाहिए. ओके, सो आई विल शो यू. फर्स्ट तो ये पोजीशन का आपका बैलेंस होना चाहिए. देन ओके, रिलैक्स. फिर से मैं करके दिखाऊंगा आपको. पोजीशन, देन हमारा बॉडी कैसे बैलेंस होना चाहिए. ओके, सो यू डू एट योर होम. थैंक यू. स्टूडेंट, आज जो हम एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं वो है एक्सरसाइज फॉर द लेग एंड वेस्ट. इससे आपके बॉडी में फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इंक्रीज होगी. सो फर्स्ट आई विल शो यू. फर्स्ट आपको फ्लोर पर से बैठना है, लेग स्ट्रेच करके. ये हो गई आपकी ओरिजिनल पोजीशन. हैंड्स ऑन योर वेस्ट. ओके, देन 1 क्लोज, 2 ओपन. इजी है लेकिन आपको ये करना जरूरी है. इससे आपके बॉडी में फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इंक्रीज होती है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ओके, नाउ स्टैंड अप. स्टूडेंट, आज जो हम एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं वो है हमारे बॉडी का, हम बॉडी फ्रॉम अ टेबल. टेबल बनाने की हम जो है वो कोशिश करेंगे. जो टेबल का पोजीशन रहता है तो हम वैसे बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे. ओके, फर्स्ट आपको ओरिजिनल पोजीशन लेना है. ओके, सिट लाइक दैट. ऐसे बैठना है. हैंड्स आगे बैक रहेंगे, नीज आगे. देन स्लोली स्लोली अप करना है. जितना आप अप कर सकते हो बॉडी को, स्ट्रेट ऐसे करना है. बैलेंस करना है, रिलैक्स. ओके, अगेन स्लोली अप, रिलैक्स, देन स्टैंड अप. थैंक यू. स्टूडेंट, आज हम जो एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं उसका नाम है होल्डिंग द बॉडी इंक्लाइंड पोजीशन. ओके, नाम याद रखेंगे, holding the body inclined position. So I will show you. First you will go down, sit like that. आपको ऐसे बैठना है. फिर 1 काउंट पर आपको हैंड्स पीछे करना है. ओके, 2 में अप, 3 डाउन, 4. ओके, अगेन 1 2 3 4. Then stand up. Thank you.